Wow, what a magnificent view. That's Martin Dam on the Tallapoosa River. And with all the rain that we've had lately, they've got the spillways open. Anyway, I thought I would go up there and give a little update on it. This is March the 28th, 2023. Quite a view. That's Highway 50 right there, just below the dam. What a magnificent view. What a beautiful state we have with all the tributaries, the dams, the water, all the recreation that we have. But when we have a little too much precipitation, this is what happens. Never ceases to be amazed. Back in the day, you used to be able to drive over to the dam and they would give you a tour down inside there. I don't know if they still do that or not, but I've walked along those walkways where those locks are. Quite a sight to see the spillways open. Usually happens this time of year. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.